Choosing a quality solar system is all about longevity and about how long that system's going to last. The systems we use, we've got a 25-year full system warranty we can offer on some of the systems we use. The solar panel we use has got a 25-year product warranty. There's only 2 panels on the market that have that, and that is a full warranty. A full warranty where they cover the panel as well as the labour. Solar equipment manufacturers come and go. We've seen plenty of them over the years. There's been over 100 solar panel manufacturers come and go, and what we're finding is people are being left with products with no warranty. So it's really important that you go with big brands, with big companies that have got a big revenue base to look after your warranty. Lots of the old cheaper systems that were installed 10 years ago are now being pulled off roofs, even though they had a so-called 25-year warranty on them. When we look into it, they've really only got a 10-year warranty, but they're not even getting to that 10 years. And now all of those products are going into landfill and dirtying the environment up. People are having to reinvest in another solar system because the first one they bought was of poor quality. It's really worth investing in a high-quality system up front.